So what I'm working on here is a little chisel holder. Just something I needed a place to put the chisels, so I figured I'd make one myself. I've laid out half of this board here. I'm going to rip this board down and then connect it to this as just a backer plate. I'm going to drill some holes through here and then cut some slots into the holes. And so here are all the holes drilled. I'm going to take this over to the chop saw and I'm going to cut a slot in each one of these holes so that we can get the chisel into the holder, and then the slot will serve to hold around the base of the handle, or at least that's the idea. And let's see if we can make this work. Now that we've got these slots cut, you can see that the chisels fit right in and they kind of slide down onto this section and hold it. So this ought to make a pretty decent chisel rack once I mount the back plate on it. Now this connection here doesn't need to be super strong, but we're going to use these corner clamps and clamp the back here onto the board we already made for holding the chisels, so we can get a nice square attachment. And the beauty of this clamp is it kind of holds this section here. We'll put the other one in. I set it up like this and I get it lined up exactly where I want it. Then I'll be able to slip this piece out, put some glue behind it, reassemble it, and attach a couple of screws to the back. So here's our basic chisel rack. I'm going to leave it in the clamps overnight. Hopefully everything will stay tight. Got a couple screws in the back of it. Just made out of some scrap pine laying around the shop. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like down below. Don't be afraid to subscribe, and we'll keep them coming periodically here with different stuff from the wood shop. I may also do some videos of projects that I do outside the wood shop. I do build arenas and do construction projects, so that may show up on the site as well. And once again, give us a subscribe, follow us here, and throwing a shout out to my boy, all caps Rage, no spaces. Lay off the pipe, boys.